Hey everybody, welcome back to the 509. So a couple of months ago, it was my birthday in August, and my wife decided to get me this present. I was completely surprised. I didn't realize that this is what it was. It was just a box wrapped in some paper. Or no, I think she had it in a gift bag. Anyways, I pulled it out and I was like, oh my gosh, I was stunned. Check this out. PSK EDC and Chad Nichols Damascus Mammoth with a sea blue liner. This is really cool. It surprised me. I was so surprised. Let's check it out. Look at this beauty. Mammoth molar. You can see all the little quartz veins in there and stuff. Then it's got the sea blue liner. How cool is that? Now let's check out this blade. Like I said, this is a Chad Nichols stainless steel Damascus. Look at that. How cool is that? So I've got a couple other videos on here about the PSK EDCs, and one of them was like a blue and black sure grip scales, and the other one was I think antique ivory or something. I think it's antique ivory with turquoise spacers and red liners. I can't remember, sorry about that. But anyways, you can go back and check them out. But I've got the specs on there, but I'm going to go through them right here real quick as well. So the overall length on this knife is 6.375 inches. The blade length is 2 3/4 of an inch. The blade thickness is 1/8 of an inch. And we'll check that up with some coins again here in a minute. The handle thickness is 1/2 inch. And it's made, the blade steel is, like I said, Chad Nichols stainless steel Damascus. And it weighs in at 3.1 ounces. I guess it might vary a little bit depending on the scale composition, but anyways, I was looking at the I was looking at DLT, and it was talking about the Chad Nichols stainless, and it says that it is made of a composition of AEBL 440, nickel, and 304. The composition of these metals comes out to a really cool looking stainless steel Damascus. Of course, this is in the raindrop pattern. But anyways, so I checked it with some coins here, and the closest thickness or comparison I could find was 2 pennies. So if you don't have any kind of calipers or something like that, just get a couple of pennies together and that'll tell you about how thick the blade is. So this one's in the raindrop pattern, and they also make a wave pattern, and I'll put a picture of it up here real quick. But I just wanted to show you this really cool knife that my wife got me for my birthday. There it is. Raindrop, personal survival knife, everyday carry. PSK EDC, really cool. All right, one last thing before we close. I was gonna ask you if you could go to the description, and I'm gonna put some affiliate links there to Amazon, and see if there's anything you're interested in checking out. I do earn a small commission if anything's bought, but every little bit helps, and it'll help me to keep this channel rolling. I'd really appreciate it. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video if you can. And also, if you can go to our channel and check out the other knives. There's several knives on there that I did some reviews on, unboxing and all that fun stuff. And so yeah, when you get a chance, check it out, and we'll see you next time back here at the 509. Y'all take care.